In this video, I will show you how to generate a dynamic chart. The chart will be generated based on the range up to which data is available. So this is the sales chart which you see on the screen. Chart shows data up to September 23. If I remove the September 23 data, see what happens to the chart. I'll delete this. So chart is showing only up to August. Now if I delete August data, it will show only up to July and so on. If I put the data back, I do undo, so it dynamically changes the x-axis. So let us learn how to create a dynamic chart. So this is the sales data. I'm going to generate a symbol column chart. So click on any of the cell, insert menu, go to 2D column, click on this. Generated the column chart using the sales data in this range. So up to September 23 it created. So if you click on any of this and select data, you'll see sales data is this one. It's a fixed range, and if you see this data, this is also a fixed range from A3 to A23. So we have to convert this to a dynamic chart. So for that we will be using offset function. So I had created a video before showing how to create a dynamic drop down list using offset. So you can refer to that video, whose link I will be updating in the description of this video. So I'll be using offset function to create a dynamic data range. So here in cell C3 I'm going to type a formula using offset function. Offset, I am going to create a dynamic range of months. So I will fix this $A3 using by pressing F4 key. Now offset 0 0. Now height is, I am going to count the contents of this range. So I will say up to 50. So in case in future if I extend this data, it should read up to row 50. So I'm going to fix by pressing F4. So count A, that is the height of the resultant data, and width is 1. Let us see what it prints. So this printed this range. So I will copy the format so that it prints in the same format. So printed January 22, February 22, September 23. So I will copy this formula here and paste it here and change the column from A to B. Let us see what it prints. So it printed the sales data here using offset and month data here. So what it says, it's the height of this data range is equal to the count of number of entries in column B. Now see what happens when I delete data one by one from the bottom of the sales column. See, I'm deleting last entry against September. See, these two entries disappeared because of the offset formula. Delete this, disappeared. Delete July, disappeared. So this is how we create the dynamic data range. Also look at the chart. See, so there is no data against July, August, September. So ideally for a dynamic chart, if I'm removing the data for these 3 months, actually it should not show July, August, September months in the chart. So that is what we are going to achieve. So I'm putting the data back. So now I am going to use this offset formula to create a named range. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to click formula, name manager. I'm going to create a new name manager, month. I'm going to paste the copied formula. Okay. So see when I click on this range, it has selected this. Now I will close this. I will copy this formula to create another named range. Copied, name manager, new, sales, and name that and paste. Click on OK. So if I select this range, so it has selected this range. I'll close this. I'll delete these two formula. So now we will modify the chart. So chart data, click on any of the column, click the right mouse, select data. So here edit, give the name of the worksheet. So that is dynamic chart.xlsx, dynamic chart.xlsx. Then the name of the named range, that is month. Click on OK. So it printed the month. Now I'll click on edit. Here say dynamic chart.xlsx. Then use the named range sales. So sales named range in this Excel file. That is the meaning. So I'll click on OK. OK. So now I change the fixed range to a dynamic range. So let us see what happens when I delete the entry for September. So look at the chart here. See, it's showing only till August. If I delete August data, it will show only till July. If I delete July data, it should only show June. Like that it goes. So if I put this data back, pressing Ctrl Z, look at the chart, put the June data back, so June data appeared. Put the July data back, July data appeared. Put the August data back, it appeared. Put the September data back, so it appeared. So this is how we create a dynamic chart.
That's it for now.
Thanks for watching this video. Please click on like button if you find the information I shared useful and update comments. Also, please subscribe to my channel to get notified about new videos which I will post in future.